Hello all, welcome back to our favorite V and Data channel. Today let us discuss how to use limit statement with a select query. Let's get into the video. So today we'll discuss how to use limit statement with a select query. So we'll use a supermarket database. In that we use customer table. As we know already, this table has customer ID, name, segment, city, and so on. Now, in this, how we will use a limit? We write a select statement. So we write select star from customer table where age is greater than or equal to 25. Who all has age greater than 25, we select them. Order by age, descending. Sorting has happened on age column, descendingly. Limit 8, which means we will get uh, 8, only 8 values alone. After order by, I need only 8 values, that too top 8 values. So let me run this. Customer table is selected where age is greater than or equal to 25. Who was all age is greater than 25, it is selected, and sorting is also happened. Then only for top 8 rows it is selected and return as we used limit. Now let me select the same thing but the sorting as ascending and limit as 10. So I'm trying to get top 10 values as a limit. Let's run this. Now the ascending has happened small to big and the people who all has age greater than 25 is selected. If I remove the ascending and run, it will even then it will get executed because default order by is ascending. Limit is used to restrict top few columns like top 100, top 10, top 1, like that. So this is how we use limit in SQL query. So in our next video, let us see more SQL and SQL analytics. Until then, it is bye from our favorite V and Data channel.